Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily enable grid and level tools for better photo composition on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera app, and now click this little arrow here, go to more settings, and here you will have the level. Now if you want to enable the grid, simply get out of here. Now click this arrow once again, and here click on the grid. As you guys can see, now we have the level and the grid enabled, and here we can use it for better photo composition, as you guys can see here. Now if it's red, then we can simply take a picture, right now, and it looks just like that. Very good quality, etc. So yes, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.